11 Investigates has learned MV Realty withdrew its bankruptcy case as it's facing lawsuits from attorneys general in at least 9 states. It is a major development in our years-long reporting on the real estate company. 11 Investigates' Amy Hudak is live in the studio to tell us what this means for the lawsuits filed against the company and consumers. Amy.
Well, Susan, the news about MV Realty voluntarily withdrawing its Chapter 11 bankruptcy case came late last week, a court then signing off on that. And with that case dismissed, this essentially clears the way for attorneys general in those 9 states to seek relief for consumers.
It was fraud. What they did, it was fraud. It was fraudulent.
11 Investigates first introduced you to 76-year-old Georgette Snowden in 2022. She said money was tight when MV Realty approached her and agreed to pay her $391 to list her Pittsburgh home with them when she chose to sell. She says what she didn't know, she was signing a contract with a 40-year lien.
I didn't know there was a lien. I would have never agreed to that if I knew there was a lien.
11 Investigates teamed up with our sister stations in 8 states to investigate the realty company. We heard the same thing from homeowner after homeowner. Since our reporting, attorneys general in 9 states, including Pennsylvania, have filed suit against MV Realty for unfair and deceptive business practices. This past Friday, MV withdrew its petition to file for bankruptcy. Lawyer Sarah Mancini with the National Consumer Law Center says this is a win for consumers.
The biggest impact for MV customers on having the bankruptcy case dismissed is that those attorney generals are no longer impeded in seeking any relief that they can and potentially getting those liens canceled.
The Pennsylvania Attorney General's office says, quote, this is a positive development that allows us to pursue the company in our state court action. Also, our litigation against the company founder, Amanda Zachman, remains ongoing. The state AG's office is demanding that MV Realty pay restitution to all people who suffered losses, strike all mortgages recorded on real estate in Pennsylvania, refrain from entering into the homeowner benefit agreement with Pennsylvania consumers, pay civil penalties of $1,000 for each violation of consumer protection law, and pay $3,000 for each violation involving a consumer age 60 or older. We did reach out to MV Realty about withdrawing that bankruptcy case. We have not yet heard back. Reporting live in the studio, Amy Hudak, Channel 11 News.